Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a QR code to Invoice here in Zoho Books. Alright, first up, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now, what you'll do in here is just go ahead over to Module Settings. Here we have Sales. Click on Invoices. And once that's done, under General, scroll down, okay, until you find Invoice QR Code. Make sure that this one is enabled. And as you can see here, we now have these options. QR code type, invoice URL, okay? Or you can gotta use custom. When scanned, the custom URL you configure or the information you enter will be displayed. Okay, if you want that option, gotta use it by any means. Now you have QR code description right here. Just leave it, scan the QR code to view the configured information or change this one however you want. Okay. Once that's done, do not forget to hit on save right here at the bottom left. Okay, and once that's saved, go ahead over to settings once more, just close it, click on settings, and then here, go ahead and go to PDF templates. Now let's go ahead and go to invoice right here, select from one of your templates, click on edit. And in here, what you'll do is just go and find other details, okay? Click on it, and in here, make sure that you tick on show invoice QR code, okay? Once that's done, hit on save. Just close the settings right here. Go to sales, invoices, create a new invoice. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and enter random things right here. Item. Now hit on save and send. And just send it. Okay. As you can see here, we now have the sent invoice. When you go ahead and scroll all the way down from the preview, here you have the scan QR code option. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.